What do you make when it is too hot to cook? Hey guys, I'm Nikki Sizemore. Welcome to my kitchen. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're making an avocado chicken salad. So this is a no mayo chicken salad, and it is the perfect dinner on a hot and steamy day. You don't even have to turn on the stove, and it comes together in minutes. So while I love a classic chicken salad, this is actually my go-to recipe. Instead of using mayonnaise, we're gonna use mashed avocado, and we're gonna flavor it up with some Southwestern ingredients like jalapeño and cilantro and lime. I'm gonna show you how I like to serve this chicken salad. If you make it, let me know in the comments below what you think. And don't forget to like and subscribe. That way you won't miss out on any of my wholesome, family-friendly, and naturally gluten-free recipes. All right, first let's talk avocados. All avocados ripen off the tree, and I like to buy them when they're green and hard like this for a few reasons. First of all, they don't bruise up on the way home from the grocery store. And second of all, I can just let them ripen at room temperature and then eat them when they're perfect, because there's nothing worse than cutting it into a brown avocado. So you'll need one large avocado. Open it up, yay! All right, we're gonna scrape this into a bowl. Now we're gonna squeeze in some lime juice. I could not live without my citrus squeezer. I use it every day. This is when I usually call my 6-year-old in. This is her job. You want it pretty smooth because, like I said, it's taking the place of the mayo. I have some granulated garlic and a tablespoon of olive oil. Now for the chicken. This is 3 cups of rotisserie chicken, so easy. So I've got a chopped red bell pepper, half of a jalapeno pepper that I've diced, and then we'll add some fresh cilantro and some scallions. I love scallions because they're so mild and they're a little sweeter. And last but not least, we have to season it with some salt and pepper. All right, what is this, like 5 minutes for dinner? That's pretty good. I'm telling you, you're not gonna wanna go back to the mayonnaise. That, my friends, is done. I love the crunch from the red bell pepper and that hint of heat from the jalapeno. All right, let me clean this up and I'll show you my favorite way to serve it. You can eat this chicken salad straight out of the bowl like I'm known to do. You can put it over salad greens. Today, I'm gonna make a sandwich. This is one of my favorite sandwiches, and we're gonna add a little bit more avocado, but I'm gonna show you how to get those pretty avocado slices. Cut it in half right along the pit. Open that up. And then if you cut it into a quarter, instead of scooping out the slices, peel off the avocado skin. And now you can get nice, thin, pretty avocado slices. My very favorite sandwich. All right. Look at that. Give it a try. So good. You got that crunch from the bell pepper, brightness from the lime, the hint of heat from the jalapeno, and then that creaminess from the avocado. You guys, this is my favorite sandwich. Let me know if you give this avocado chicken salad a try. Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.